It's another Mutant Monday. Today we have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles crossover with Universal Monsters, Donatello as the Invisible Man, the ultimate action figure. This completes my set of 4 Turtle Brothers in Universal Monster forms. On the front we have a nice painted Donatello as the Invisible Man. On the side we have some cross sale. Have a look. I've done reviews on all these except for Raphael. On the side we have basically just logo and the portrait. We have the portrait here, logo. Bottom we have credits. A little banged up in shipping. We open it up. We have some nice product shots, and we have Donatello himself. Or we should, but he's invisible. Ooh. Anyway, let's get to open this guy up. Oh, on the back, I brought it back. It is this lovely poster montage, reminiscent of the classic monster movies. Once more, I hate ruining these packages, but I can't save them all. Alright, what do we got in here? Alright, that box is empty. The backdrop is, of course, I believe this is the same backdrop as the actual Invisible Man. Yeah, I think this is the same background as that. Alright, we'll set this aside. We'll have a look here at Donatello. He has a whole slew of accessories here on the back. By accessories, I mean alternate limbs, appendages. Wow, that's a lot of hands. We even get some feet this time around. All right. So we have first off that happened is all right, they all fell out. We have 2 invisible hands. That one is meant for holding things. This one too is meant for holding things. So you hold his bow staff in the dark. Then we have some alternate hands here. We have a pointing hand. Match these up. We have 2 grasping hands, grappling hands. You can probably hold things just smaller. We have 2. There's a wider open hands, probably for the beaker. Then we have a outstretched hand, and another beaker hand. Yeah, they're for different hands for different accessories. You know, NECA, you could probably save some plastic by putting a joint and the hands at this point, if you're going to throw all these hands in. And then we have some invisible feet, so we can take off his bandages. And have invisible feet. Go ahead. Okay, good. For a second there, I thought I had 2 of the same feet. Slightly rubbery, clear plastic. These don't have it. Oh, they do. They have a rocker. Of course, you can see it right through there. You can actually see how these work. Hey, look. That's how the rocker works. I've never taken apart a foot. Alright, that's some pretty good articulation for a foot. I don't know if we're going to put these in today, but maybe, maybe not. We'll just set that aside. Let's go to the mad scientist himself, Donnie. First off, we have a bow staff, which is, it's a bow staff. I mean, Looks like wood. Nice worn cloth wrapped around. Nice detail. Next, we have a fedora, and this is a soft fedora. I thought it was gonna be hard like Freddy's. This is actually a soft fedora. It's soft plastic. It's not a food. Soft fedora is not like a type of thing. But yeah, interesting to see how that works. Then we pull out this here. There is his alternate head, which is actually empty. I'm surprised that's not squishy. So it's open at the mouth, so you can see through. You can see through its eyes. We have hair sticking through it, like Donatello has hair. You know, Donatello's known for his hair, but it's to go with the traditional Invisible Man who wore the wig to make himself look more human, even though he was invisible. Here we have a TGRI book. Basically, the Invisible Man's notebook on his formula, but it's TGRI. Assuming that Invisible Man, mad scientist Donatello, works for TGRI. And here is a microscope. I don't think I've seen this accessory with anything. That is a pretty cool accessory. Then we have a beaker. The Invisible Man's, or I don't know, beaker, flask. The Invisible Man's was had some kind of fluid in it. This looks like it's empty. A little glass stirring rod in it. And Donatello. Donatello, if I have not mentioned before, is my favorite turtle. So it pained me to wait so long for a Universal Monster Donatello. There we go. And I was kind of disappointed that he was the Invisible Man, but the more you think about it, the more it works out. He is a mad scientist. Alright. Let's have a look at the figure. I will not be putting the bow in there. Those will rip. He's invisible, so you can see his pizza in his shell that he's eaten. The shell goes over top of the jacket, I guess. That's a weird choice. But I mean, how else are you going to show the invisible pizza? I can see why, but it bothers me. I mean, you can see it right up there. It's like the shell is just invisible hanging off him. Of course, the head, articulation hair-wise. I think these come. Yep, these come off. So these come off, so you can change them with the increasingly mad-looking hairdo. I'm not gonna put them on there. I'll probably let him go with his. Oh, and this one here is actually clear, so there's clear eyes. That's pretty cool. As opposed to these actually being empty. Of course, he's a turtle. He has his arm Band on the outside. He has the normal double joints, but with his armband and jacket, it is very limited motion. You can put his arm out to the side this much. I'm not going to force that one. Get about that much movement. He can be angry that he got not only mutated but transformed. That jacket pretty much inhibits all motion here. There's almost no point in trying to do anything. I'm trying to bend, but without really getting up in there and stretching that, you're not going to have a lot of movement options. And these here come right out. Now the feet are clear there. Their toes wrapped in cloth. And these just look like it's just slide in there. Oh no! He only has one foot. I don't understand where the other one went. Let's try out this fedora. That is a sharp looking Donatello there. Just kind of sits on there. But there we go. There is our Donatello as the Invisible Man. Of course, you can just take off the head and just pretend he's invisible, like he's completely invisible, and just put on the plastic. Oh look, he's obviously right here. Okay, so while I'm setting these up, make sure you hit that like button. Make the confetti fly. Let other people know you like these videos, so more people can see what's going on. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future unboxing videos. Hit that bell so you're notified when I get new ones, or when I make new ones. Usually come out videos twice a week. Usually have a Mutant Monday and a Transformers Tuesday. A little hard to decide where it is supposed to go, but there we go. There is, let's kick it this way. There's Donatello's the Invisible Man. And once more, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.